Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 5, Lesson 7. And in this lesson we're talking about being able to name and count shapes as parts of a whole and recognizing relative sizes of parts. So looking at this, we have to draw one line in each shape to make equal parts. So we know that we try to make equal parts, meaning that they would be the same. Which means if I would write one line to divide up this shape, this piece would be way smaller than this piece. So that means that's not equal. So I know that I need it to be in the middle as best as I can do. Okay, now this looks more equal. Okay, or you could have also done it like this, which of course I'm not the best drawer, so my line went a little slanted, but of course you want it to go a little bit more up. Or you could have also done a diagonal line this way or a diagonal line this way. Now looking at this one, we know that we can do it like this, or we can do it like this. We know that we cannot do something like this because this piece would be way smaller than this piece. So it has to be something like this. Now at the star, you know you can't just cut it like this because you know this piece is way smaller than this piece. So we have to make it equal. So we know that we can do it from one point to the end. Or we can do it from the top of the star to the bottom. Okay? Now one thing we can't do is for the star we cannot go side to side, because if you see, this first part right here is way bigger than this bottom part, so it just would not work. So we know we can go from top to bottom. Alright guys, that's it for this video.